Ever wished you could make your beautiful furniture immune to scratches, spills, and daily wear and tear? Well, a matte furniture protection film is the closest thing to an invisible shield you can get. Let's break down its key benefits.
First, it's a powerful scratch guard. Think about life's little accidents, moving a vase, a pet's claws, or kids playing. This film acts as a durable, sacrificial layer that takes the abuse, so your actual tabletop or cabinet finish stays perfectly pristine underneath. Second, it provides excellent spill and stain protection. From water rings to coffee spills and sticky fingerprints, a quality matte film creates a seamless, non-porous barrier. This means you can simply wipe liquids away with a damp cloth without any staining or damage to the wood or laminate.
Third, it offers crucial defense against fading. Sunlight streaming through a window can slowly bleach and discolor your furniture. Many of these films are treated to block harmful UV rays, helping your furniture maintain its original color and vibrancy for years to come. Fourth, and this is a big one, it's completely invisible. Unlike some glossy protectors that can look cheap or change the texture, a matte film is designed to disappear. It preserves the authentic look and feel of your wood, stone, or laminate without any annoying glare or a plastic-like appearance.